I would say first and very important news our debate tonight. The first guest on the program tonight is a gentleman who's a BJP MP from Assam. His name is Ram Prasad Sharma. And he's a member of the Committee on Subordinate Legislation. And Mr. Ram Prasad Sharma believes that there is nothing to prove that tobacco causes cancer. Why do you say so, Mr. Sharma?
Because when you are sitting to decide a case before the committee, we must have full proof, conclusive proof that yes, it causes cancer.
There is no proof in your view?
Today is premature. In the sense, committee has not decided anything. Yes.
No, so
committee has not decided anything. Committee wants the proof.
No, there is no proof in your view. No, there is no proof. No, there is no proof. No, one second. There is no proof.
Saying outside.
There is no proof.
Because committee has to give the decision, and once the committee gives the decision, that will be final. So before committee arrives at any decision, there must be conclusive proof, evidence that yes, it causes cancer.
No, so it doesn't.
So that is what we want to say. Nothing more. Nothing.
No, so who are you? Are you a doctor? What is your expertise in the field of medicine? Are you an oncologist? Are you a cancer specialist?
That's why since we are not a doctor, since we are not a chemical expert, since we are not a medical expert, so you want evidence on medical ground and chemical ground that yes, it causes cancer.
So I'll give you, suppose I were to tell you one thing, Mr. Sharma, listen to me. Mr. Sharma, listen to me. Okay, listen to me.
Yes.
700,000 people, 7 lakh people die in our country due to smoking. Is that some proof?
Yes. No, that must come before the committee.
Oh, who? The dead people must come before the committee. The dead people must come, the people who die must come before the committee and say we died because of...
I will give you some simple example.
How is it possible? How can people who have died come before the committee? I don't understand what you say.
I'll give you a simple example. No, they need not come, but the expert must come. Medical expert and chemical expert must come before the committee and say yes. Then only we can take final decision.
No, but
how can there be any
medical information is freely available
without any proof?
No, once again, what are you talking about? I'll give you 2 more. Medical information is freely available.
But that must be produced before the...
Produced before
which? That may be available outside, but has it come in before the committee? Has it been produced?
Which committee are you talking? The committee, but the member, but you have members. Once again, one of the members in the committee.
That's why we have fixed a date for taking evidence. That's why we have fixed a date. We have not decided anything. What you are arguing is that we have already decided in favor of the
Sir,
we have not decided anything.
Sir, you are yet to now. Decide, this is the one second, Mr. Sharma. You know what is happening? Big business through BJP MPs has entered. Big business has infiltrated this parliamentary panel. And this is nothing but crony capitalism 2.0. I want to introduce you to somebody called... One second, listen. Mr. Sharma, listen to me. Mr. Sharma,
I'll go by law.
Mr. Sharma, I'm not... Mr. Sharma, Friday evening, am I fighting with you? No, I'm not. I'm just trying to understand your point of view. In fact, I consider it futile to argue with you. But I want to introduce you to a doctor.
Yes.
I want to introduce you to a doctor.
Yes.
He is a surgeon by profession.
Yes.
And he holds a Master of Surgery in General Surgery from SCB Medical College, Cuttack. Utkal University 2002, he did his MS.
Yes.
Okay, he did his MBBS from VSS Medical College, Sambalpur University 1997. His name is Sambit Patra. He's the BJP spokesperson. Will you talk to him? I'll ask him 1 or 2 questions. Sambit Patra?
Yes.
Nothing to prove. Please, I won't get between. This is between BJP versus BJP. Please tell this BJP MP, member of the Subordinate Committee on Legislation, whose action has held back this, helped the tobacco lobby. He says there is no proof that tobacco causes cancer. Why is he saying so?
I'll be absolutely candid, Arnav. I mean, good that you had brought both of us together. And I would be very candid. Mr. Sharma, though you are my senior, you are a member of parliament, I respect you, you are from my same party. But from wherever you may be, remember there are certain established facts in this world, and certain facts need not be questioned. That tobacco causes cancer has been proved by umpteen number of studies, and I speak not as a doctor, but everyone in this country knows this established fact. The party has already distanced itself from the views that have been expressed.
This line is irritating me nowadays. You distance yourself from Giriraj Singh, you distance yourself from Tobacco Gate. I won't let you distance yourself. You can't do it.
No, I'm speaking.
No, sir, 1 minute. You can't. You just tell. No.
What do you want me to do?
No, I'm asking you. Sambit Patra. Sambit Patra. I am asking you. I don't think this is as innocent as is being made out to be. No, I don't think it is as innocent as is being made out to be. I feel this is a conspiracy.
No.
This is a conspiracy of the capitalist class. This is a conspiracy of the crony capitalists out there. This is a deliberate crony capitalist conspiracy. This is a deliberate crony capitalist conspiracy that's going on.
Mr. Arnab Goswami, can
I know my name, move on.
Can I ask you a question if you allow me? No. We also know our name, but you keep on repeating our name, and the country knows your name. But I want to ask you a question for 50 seconds. Arnab, have you debated the topic that Bharatiya Janata Party government in the centre, within the span of 10 months, got back 3 lakh crore to the country's exchequer because of the auctioning of coal box, because of the auctioning of the spectrum? Is this
what a joke? What a joke! What a joke! What a joke! You know. I'm sorry. No,
this money came from the pocket.
Okay, what's it? Ajay, I can deal with this.
Industrialists.
I can deal with this.
The money.
I can deal with this.
Regime who are not questioned.
Okay, first of all, to Mr. Sharma, I want to thank you very much. 1 second. Okay,
so please,
Sambit Patra.
Dare to say that the BJP government in the centre is a crony capitalist government.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, gentlemen, first let's say goodbye and thank you to Mr. Sharma, Member of Parliament from Assam, who believes, by the way, Mr. Sharma, I congratulate you for your ridiculous comments where you say that tobacco is like good food. It is like good food.
No, it is not because what you are arguing is ridiculous. I am not.
No, you said tobacco is like good food.
The evidence must come before the committee. Committee cannot decide on the air.
Sir, did you say?
It must come before the committee.
Did you say I know 2 elderly people?
Let them come and say before the committee.
Let me tell you.
That's why the date is fixed for taking evidence.
Mr. Sharma, let me tell you the joke of the day.
You're saying will not do.
Let me tell you the joke of the day. I'll tell you the joke of the day. The joke of the day.
The joke. I know the joke. What you will be telling about?
I won't tell you a joke about you.
Before the committee decides anything, there must be some evidence before it.
Sir, tomorrow.
We are not expert body.
Okay.
Parliamentarians are not. MPs are not expert. Sir, they must have some evidence.
Sir, I have a suggestion. I have a suggestion for you. Sir, I have a suggestion for you. Please listen to me.
Can you tell me what is wrong in that?
Please listen to me. Please listen to me. I also
No
suggest.
need of suggestion. I don't need your suggestion. Please, Arnab, please don't need. I don't need your suggestion.
I'll make a recommendation as a citizen. As a humble citizen before a very powerful.
Subject of proof before our committee so that you can take action.
I'll tell you.
So that we can pass.
Sir, I'll tell. I think I have a subject matter. Sir, I want your committee to take up one more issue. Sir, I want your committee to take up one more issue. I want your committee to set up an investigation into how much oxygen a person needs to breathe. Because there is no medical proof.
Yes.
Is there? There is no proof that people need oxygen. Unless it is proven before the parliament. Have you ever had, 1 minute, have you ever had a single, has there been a single parliamentary panel, is there a single parliamentary panel report, is there a single parliamentary panel report to prove that people need to breathe oxygen? And without a parliamentary panel report to prove that people need to breathe oxygen, how can people be breathing oxygen? You should have a parliamentary report on that. Because till it is proven that people need to breathe oxygen and a parliamentary panel agrees with that, I don't think anyone in this country has a right to breathe oxygen.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Let's take the debate forward. Is this innocent? Ajay Bose, it's not innocent in my view. I think this is a deep conspiracy. 1 second, Ajay Da wanted to come in. Ajay Da.
Arnab, let me make a few quick points. Arnab, let me make a few quick points.
Go ahead.
It's astounding that somebody like Mr. Sharma is a member of Parliament, and that too a part of this kind of committee. Because I've been hearing him from all over TV from the morning. I heard him say that he knows somebody who has 60 cigarettes and 1 full bottle of alcohol every day and he's perfectly fine. So what is the problem? Why are we all debating this issue? Number one. Secondly, we have a clear case of conflict of interest where a BD baron is actually taking decisions on the tobacco industry.
Yes.
Thirdly, and that is the most worrying thing, is this government which is today saying they dissociate from the ridiculous remarks of these people. Why did they stall a decision which was taken and supposed to be implemented from the 1st of April?
Mr. Ajay Bose, I will give the reply.
Because of lobbies.
Did you ever attack
because of crony capitalism.
Stall this for 7
So I want to demand.
Mr. Ajay Bose,
No,
did you question the previous government which stalled the decision for 7 times? You never. You have vested interest, Mr. Ajay Bose. You have vested interest.
Right
You
now,
are
take the
poised.
decision.
You are poised as an anti-BJP lobbyist, and that's the reason as to why you did not question the previous government which stalled this decision for 7 long years. But this government will take a decision.
I mean, how can you allow
I'm a
this
doctor.
nonsense
That's the
to
reason
carry
as to
on?
why I
This
say
is not
that
clean.
this
You see, the
government
issue
will
is-
act against tobacco.
The issue, 1 minute,
Gentlemen, that the
Gentlemen,
hazard of tobacco.
Gentlemen.
This government will do it.
Gentlemen, 1 minute, gentlemen,
Mr.
please.
Ajay Bose was not questioning
Gentlemen, 1 minute. Sambit Patra, I request you. Mr. Patra, Dr. Patra, preeminent Dr. Patra, hold your horses, pull yourself back for a minute. I just want to make one small point so that we steer the debate in the right direction. Once again, I'll come to all of you. We have a lot of time. I just want to steer the debate in the right direction. What are we talking about here? It is an established fact that tobacco kills. Only foolish people, ignorant people will say, no, wait, 1 second, Gaurav, 1 minute, Gaurav, 1 minute, Gaurav, 1 second, I'll take 10 seconds. The issue,
all waiting.
No, the issue is conflict of interest. The issue tonight is conflict of interest. It's not whether tobacco kills. The issue is BJP MP on parliamentary panel appointed by BJP, allowed by BJP, panel and committee headed by a BJP person to influence the policy of the BJP government, in which the BJP MP is also a BD king. He is making money out of it. And I'm asking tonight, how ethical is it for a BD baron to be ingratiating himself in a committee and push for legislation which will protect his business interests at the expense of thousands of lives? Million people will die, the BD king and MP will make money. This is the worst form of crony capitalism. Worst form of crony. I didn't expect the BJP to do this so quickly. Now, people want to come into the debate. The debate is open. 1 second. I allow Pawan Verma and Gaurav Bhatia, please. Pawan Verma and Gaurav Bhatia, you'll get your turn. Pawan Verma and Gaurav Bhatia, please, you'll get your turn.
This is a serious issue. Arnab, this is a serious issue.
It's a very serious issue.
Please allow Sambit, please tell Sambit to allow others to speak.
Commitment to see to it that hazards because of tobacco is reduced.
Arnab,
the government stands by this. So why don't you show that? Why don't you show what Mr.
Sir,
on shouting and doesn't allow others to speak.
No, I will continue shouting if you try to play this
Let's have a serious debate.
Mr.
This is a
Patra,
very serious issue.
Dr.
Please
Patra,
allow a serious
Dr.
debate.
Patra,
keep on coming in.
Dr. Patra,
Continue with this campaign of misinformation.
Dr. Patra,
Mr. Patra, you don't have any merit in your arguments.
Arnab, I want to ask 4 questions.
See your arguments.
No, who can have no merit?
substance
The
whatsoever.
government is completely on the grounds of merit,
Yeah, so
and that's the
let
reason
others
as to why
also
we
speak.
brought in this executive
Don't
order.
shout over
Within
others.
5
Arnab,
months.
can we
okay,
go
1 second,
beyond
Sambit
this?
Patra,
Mr.
please.
Sambit
1 second.
Patra.
Okay, let's all be quiet and let me deal with Sambit Patra. I give you, Pawan Verma, I know you're frustrated not being allowed to speak. Gaurav Bhatia, give me 20 seconds and I make an appeal. I make an appeal to Sambit Patra on behalf of all the panelists, please.
Party, the ones who
I make an appeal. I make an appeal to Sambit Patra on behalf of all the panelists,
They will
please.
preach us. The one who has benefited the country.
Okay, so
of 3
Sambit
lakh
Patra,
crore
if
rupees
Sambit
within
Patra,
10
1
months
minute.
of- no, Arnab.
Sambit, you can go on and on. This is no way. This is no way. No, go, Sambit, if you have strength in your argument, then listen to the other side and then debate. You can't have a one-way traffic here. Listen to the other side. Be fearless. Listen to the other side.
Arnab,
Let them.
Okay, one by one. I know Atul Kumar Anjan. Atul Kumar Anjan now. Now I'll moderate this. I'll moderate this. 1 second. First, Pawan Verma.
So let me
First, Pawan Verma.
to be in a
No.
meaningful debate.
Atul Anjan, I'm coming to you. First, don't. Yes, absolutely, Atul Anjan. First, Pawan Verma.
Into a meaningful
Pawan Verma.
Arnab, very serious issue.
Now, Sambit, my
now
request
this
is
is a
no,
very
1 second.
serious
I
issue
request
You
you.
are speaking
Okay.
loudly, and they are representing
I'm
the
not-
case
I'm
of
not
the tobacco.
interfering.
No, Sambit, I will have to. Sambit,
this is a
if you
ridiculous
have to
situation.
let others speak, don't do
play
this.
the role as a BD manufacturer's advisor.
1 sec. Sambit Patra, please be quiet now. Pawan Verma,
Now please, now this tutu meme will go
Pawan
on.
Verma, please.
I am
Only
quiet.
Pawan Verma.
For
Reduce
God's sake,
Sambit
others are
Patra's
speaking.
volume.
Arnab, this is a very serious issue.
You should not reduce my volume.
And
This is
among the
absolutely
many
wrong
bizarre
statement, Arnab.
twists,
This is a wrong statement on your channel.
this is very wrong. Arnab, can you please control Dr. Patra, who's a good friend of mine?
Not acceptable, Arnab.
I think Sambit Patra, you have to listen to the others, and they are making a sincere request. You don't do this.
While I
There is
was not
something
making
wrong.
a sound. I was not making a sound.
This is
The
not-
others were quarreling amongst themselves as to who should speak.
You
and then
have
you say
got
that you
your
would reduce
turn,
my
Sambit,
volume.
allow
when I
others.
was on a
Can we
volume so
speak?
already
Okay, so now
Please allow
Sambit,
us.
I am going 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Pawan Verma. Yes, Pawan Verma. Only Pawan Verma.
Arnab, there have been many bizarre twists and turns in the discussion of the evolution of Indian democracy. But never have we seen a day when two responsible representatives of the ruling party have argued consistently and relentlessly that smoking tobacco is a good thing for you and that it has no link to cancer. On such a day, when you have raised the issue of conflict of interest, I want to begin my input into this discussion by asking 4 questions. Firstly, if it's not conflict of interest, why is there such a delay? Why is there such a delay between the primary law and subordinate legislation? Secondly, do the members on the committee, and has Mr. Shyama Charan Gupta in particular, made a full disclosure as per the rules in the register of interests?
Yeah.
Thirdly, was the party that nominated him onto the committee, although technically the committee is set up by the speaker or the chairman of the Rajya Sabha, did the names are nominated by parties? Was the BJP aware that they are nominating a person on that committee who has a direct conflict of interest? Fourthly, did this committee actually consult and command to appear before it health experts, or did they only listen to the tobacco lobby? If Dr. Sambit Patra can give me an answer to these 4 questions, I think we can structure this debate on a reasoned basis.
And I want to add one bit to it, and I'll come to everyone, including Atul Kumar Anjan, Ajay and Gaurav, everyone. 1 second. I'll allow 2 at a time. 1 second, please. And Sambit, let me moderate this. The point is to be remembered here, whose responsibility is it? It is the Bharatiya Janata Party's responsibility. The BJP decides the names for the speaker to choose from. The BJP recommends members to the panel. The BJP recommended a BD King to the panel on subordinate legislation and allowed him to carry out the conflict of interest. This is as brazen a conflict of interest as Vijay Mallya being part of the civil aviation panel in 2004. Gaurav Bhatia.
Yeah. Arnab, I also want to address the issue and say that this is a direct case of conflict of interest. And Mr. Sambit Patra should know that in 2003, when the BJP government was in power, Cigarettes and Tobacco Products Act was enacted. And this is the main legislation, and the rules that we are talking about, as Mr. Pawan Verma also said, is subordinate legislation. The rules cannot go against the Act. The Act clearly talks about the harmful effects of tobacco. So that answers the question that the BJP MPs are raising, that there is no material. The Parliament has already discussed it, and now the most... Sambit, be quiet now. now. Don't speak in between. Let me make my point.
Sambit, let him
Make
complete.
my point, and I think you will be clean bowled. You are so frightened to even hear other person's point of view. Don't show that you are jittery. Let me make my point. Let me make my point. I reiterate, don't be uncivilized, Sambit. This is not a good habit. It doesn't make you sound convincing. Don't do that. Now I want to make my point. You can get your turn and you can answer later. Arnab, you will have to moderate the debate. I think there is something seriously wrong with Sambit Patra tonight.
I think there's a very easy way to silence Sambit
and I don't want to get into this.
I think there is a very easy way to silence Sambit Patra.
What is wrong with you, Sambit? Can't you hear your...
No.
You can't hear other panelists.
Gaurav, you all
Just
ask
hear
me
me out
questions
and
and
then
I'm
you
not given
answer.
time to answer. Here is my question to the Samajwadi
I have
Party.
not completed
You
my
were
sentence.
quiet for all
There
the
are
times
few more
when
points
the
I wish to
UPA
make.
did not pass this
Can I
legislation
speak
for
now?
7 times.
Can
Why
I
did you
speak
not
now?
question Sonia
Can I
Gandhi?
speak now?
Why did you not question Rahul Gandhi? Why did you not
You
speak against
have a
tobacco lobby
problem.
then?
You
Were you
will turn
receiving some amount from the tobacco
would
lobby?
say BJP is
Was Mulayam
better.
Singh receiving some
Here
money
we are
from
talking
tobacco
about your
lobby?
party, propriety and property of your members. Will you hear me
you don't
first?
talk about our party first.
Now let me tell you,
We will ask questions about your party, Sambit Patra. We will ask questions. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now let me say one thing. Okay, Gaurav, 1 second. I think it's... Yeah, 1 second, 1 second. Here's the question tonight. Here's the question.
Let me
tell you. Gaurav, the issue of conflict of interest is deep and important. And I would like to remind... I want to get Atul Kumar Anjan as well.
The chairman of the committee also has been bought by the BD lobbyists. 3 MPs, that's what I'm trying to say.
Only 5.
Shyam Charan Gupta and then Dilip Gandhi and the land to Justice Sharma. Why are all of them favoring the BD lobby?
Objecting to all this then. He was not objecting because Mulayam Singh Yadav was...
What are you talking about? If
the BJP believes...
really? So now you today want to
If
discuss
the BJP believes...
then Shyam Charan Gupta...
If the BJP believes... Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this debate tonight, let me say this, that if the Bharatiya Janata Party believes tonight that every question of conflict of interest will be answered with a sense of braggadocio, with a spokesperson saying, listen, don't ask us questions, this is what you did. Then did the BJP win this election by saying, we will repeat every wrong,
Who brought the
repeat every scam,
Mistake.
repeat every mistake, do everything fatally that is wrong for the people, allow people to die, let crony capitalism go up 1 notch because we have 222 MPs behind us. Ladies and gentlemen, I am asking one question to you tonight, the viewers.
And you are questioning...
I am asking this question to the viewers tonight, and when I'm speaking to the viewers, Sambit Patra, let me address them, please. The viewers, I'm asking the question to the viewers tonight. Is this what you expected from the BJP? That question is to the viewers tonight. I give you one example to the viewers. The BJP has raised questions over Shashikant Sharma as CAG. I'm coming to you, Atul Kumar. Atul Kumar Anjan, मैं आ रहा हूं आपके पास.
No, this is not the way of conducting debate. ये छिछोरापन हो रहा है.
अतुल कुमार अंजान, एक सवाल.
This is not the way of debate.
I am coming to you, अतुल कुमार अंजान.
मैंने कोई सवाल नहीं पूछे आप यहाँ कुश्ती करा रहे हैं. आप कुश्ती करा रहे हैं. कुश्ती करा रहे हैं क्या? राजनीतिक दलों की मर्यादा नहीं रहेगी क्या? छोड़िए जाने की बात कीजिए. आप जिस तरह से जो सवाल पवन वर्मा जी ने जैसे सवाल उठाए हैं, उन सवालों पर बहस क्यों नहीं कराते?
Raise the issues tonight और सवालों का जवाब दीजिए.
पवन वर्मा जी ने सवाल उठाए
जरूर. अच्छा, ठीक बात है अतुल कुमार अंजान. मैं भी चाहता हूं अतुल कुमार अंजान जी. मैं अतुल कुमार अंजान जी आपसे बिल्कुल सहमत हूं. नो 1 सेकेंड. गौरव भाटिया मैं बिल्कुल 100% आपसे सहमत हूं अतुल कुमार अंजान कि आज संबित पात्रा को सवालों का जवाब देना चाहिए, क्योंकि यही भारतीय जनता पार्टी है जिसने शशिकांत शर्मा...
Why doesn't he answer?
He has no answers. Atul Kumar Anjan, what is your point on the issue of conflict of interest?
Who says I have no?
Let me go to Atul Kumar Anjan. Atul Kumar Anjan, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है. Atul Kumar Anjan, my question to you is this. Please let me.
This government has within 10 months given to the country's exchequer because we are not against capital.
Okay,
we are not against the poor people of this country.
Okay, Atul Kumar Anjan. Atul Kumar Anjan. Atul Kumar Anjan. Atul Kumar Anjan.
Tell me which government had earned this.
Let him finish.
You finish. He's finished.
This passenger train has to pass, then I will speak.
No, Mr.
Atul Kumar Anjan.
You are a finished train. You are not even a train anymore. You are a finished political party.
Anyway, you are a bullock cart. You are a bullock cart. Your Atal Bihari Vajpayee went on a bullock cart all the time. Now you have silenced. You have silenced Lal Krishna Advani. You have silenced Murli Manohar Joshi. You have finished Jaswant Singh. You have stopped Yashwant Sinha. This is your party culture. Now, last 3 national executives, you have not allowed Advani to speak. I know. Now,
okay, let's come to the question. Atul Kumar Anjan. Atul Kumar Anjan. Atul Anjan. No, 9:36 p.m. Sambit Patra, please stop. 9:36 p.m. The issue is a BD baron, a BD capitalist, a BD businessman, a BD tycoon is advocating policy on BDs. I think that is conflict of interest. I think it is unethical. I think it's crony capitalism 2.0. What do you think?
Committee.
No.
Mr. Arnab Sinha, in this parliamentary committee, BD Baran is there. Their supporters are there. And I know this BD Baran. In every election, he changes the color. He's a chameleon. He's a political chameleon. Earlier, he was in one party, yesterday in another party, today he's in a ruling party. He knows where to go. And the conflict of interest, yes, correct. Crony capitalism, correct. And these type of people, I just want to ask one question. If you just ask Mr. Sharad Pawar, whether tobacco chewing is good or bad, he will answer you. Throughout the country, whether it is, today I say 193 medical colleges, more than 900 crore rupees every year being spent to serve the cancer patients. Oncology departments
absolutely right.
This has become a menace. And apart from that, today we are every day on Doordarshan, every day on radio. This government is, the central government is projecting the advertisement, what is the harm of using the tobacco. Even then, if you want to have this tobacco business to go, and the crony capitalism has to go, and the tobacco and BD owners to be patronized, go on. Nothing can be said. This is my submission today in this important national debate. Mr. Arnab Goswami.
No, I know, matter of principle.
I just want the member of the parliament, this parliament and the ruling party to see how to serve the interest of those who are now become the victims of the cancer because of the using the tobacco. I think there is a time to ban this tobacco. I was a chain smoker. People know it. I used to consume 30, 40 cigarettes. But when I understood, my doctors told me, last 6 years I've left the cigarette. Now I just want to say that this tobacco is a menace. In this country, poor people using the BD, nobody knows. They are died. They are not registered whether they are having cancer or not. But this tobacco is the killer. And as soon as we can get rid of it, it is in the interest of the nation.
No, my issue is also, I think we have been unfair to Ajay Kumar, who has not spoken till now. No, 1 second, gentlemen, let's not be so unfair to Ajay Kumar. No, Pawan Verma, I'll come to you, and I'm really sorry for, the fact that others have not had enough time, and I request Sambit Patra, the part of the spirit of democracy is listening to the other side and responding after that. So listen to the concerns of the other people.
Does not mean all of them. All of them stab me in the back and I'm not allowed to make a
They are making points to you.
This is classic dictatorship. This is classical of dictatorship where you are gang against
I now invite Ajay Kumar of the Congress Party into the News Hour debate tonight. And I want to make one point, that Shashikant Sharma's appointment as Comptroller and Auditor General of India was questioned by the BJP because he would be auditing defense deals in which he had a role as defense secretary. What was the issue the BJP was talking about then? Conflict of interest. At that time, BJP said anything can be allowed, but conflict of interest cannot be allowed. If there is conflict of interest, there will be corruption. And the BJP will never ever allow conflict of interest.
Arnab.
Today the same BJP says,
Arnab.
थोड़ा बहुत conflict of interest होता है तो क्या बड़ी बात है?
No, we are not saying थोड़ा बहुत चलता है.
Ajay Kumar, please. Ajay Kumar is into the debate now. Sambit Patra, silence. Hold back, Sambit Patra. Ajay Kumar.
Tip of the iceberg.
Ajay Kumar, please.
This is the tip of the iceberg. You have seen the pharmaceutical lobby in terms of increase.
Ajay, listen. Ajay, listen.
The land acquisition.
Sambit, listen to Ajay. Yeah.
See, this is the tip of the iceberg. You know, the lobbyists are part of the government. The price increase of essential drugs by 40%. The land acquisition for the crony capitalists. Tobacco lobby. This is you are thinking that the Bharatiya Janata Party. This is the government of the crony capitalists by the crony capitalists of the crony capitalists.
As if you are a hermit descendant.
No, this is, and I'll tell you on the coal. Let me tell you, Dr. Patra, that 90% of the recommendations came from your chief minister, Chhattisgarh chief minister, Jharkhand chief minister, Madhya Pradesh chief minister, Rajasthan chief minister. The investigation will go to your chief minister.
Why are you preaching me?
All that came from your chief minister.
We did it within 5 months.
Within 5 your months are coming to power. The Bharatiya Janata Party government
and passed this legislation. But why did not the Congress do it? The Congress.
Okay, 1 second. Can I therefore
remind you there are 2 congressmen in that parliamentary committee.
Everybody knows it's a government for the capitalists. It is not for industry, it is for the crony industrialists.
No, show me the dissent.
It is not for industry, it's for crony industrialists.
Who are
Grab
in the parliamentary committee
tobacco,
of legislation.
Tobacco,
Mr. Gowda is there.
Increase the price of medicine.
Mr. Gowda is there. Mr. Nalini is
go
there.
against farmers.
Show me their dissent.
Create a black market and urea black market. You talk about farmers' land. You never talk about farmers' MSP reduction. You never talked about farmers' misery. You said how the farmers should get his land.
In the report which I find here,
this is not
in Sambit Patra, 1 minute. Now please, gentlemen, I will please, now Sambit, please 1 minute. No, the question, no, heckling must stop now. I want to make a serious, we must, no, 1 second. I request everyone now, we have an issue at hand. And I want to begin by saying this. Is this the first time there's crony capitalism? No. Was Vijay Mallya not member of the Parliamentary Committee on Civil Aviation despite having some interest there? I don't know. Civil Aviation or Chemicals and Fertilizers, despite having a stake in a Chemicals and Fertilizers company? He did. Was it allowed? Yes. Has there been crony capitalism in the past? Yes. Has the Congress tried to do it? Yes. All parties tried to do it? Possibly yes. But I am only talking about the party which is in power today. And the party which is in power is the Bharatiya Janata Party. And I genuinely believe that in the remainder of the debate,
has the party
Mr. Patra, there is one thing in talking a lot. There is 1 second, please, Mr. Patra, I will now, Mr. Patra, no, 1 second, please, 1 second, gentlemen. I think Mr. Patra has a quench for questions tonight, and I will quench his thirst by asking him a few questions. 1 second, 3 questions to quench his thirst.
I have a question for Sambit.
I know you do. I will let me first throw a few questions and I hope you will answer me.
Yeah. What kind of dictatorship is that?
1 second.
How would I answer if you don't give me time?
You have to listen, which is, by the way, of late you've developed a bad habit, Sambit. You don't listen, you just talk.
No, not at all. No bad habit.
Thank you.
Not at all.
Now my question is, Sambit Patra, who appointed these people into the parliamentary panel? This BD King in the parliamentary panel, who appointed him?
You are absolutely right. The government may have suggested.
No, not government, party, sir, party. The party recommended.
Government means the party because we are in the single party. We are a single almost. We are in the majority, so it's but natural. But I am saying.
No. One second. No. Second question. Second question, please. Second question. Is there an acknowledgement of conflict of interest in this case?
No.
Do you believe there is conflict of interest in this case? Do you believe there is conflict of interest in this case? Do you believe there is conflict of interest in this case?
The whole answer.
Is there conflict of interest in this case?
You have to let the people know of the truth. The people should know the truth that this parliamentary committee does not deal only with tobacco. It can deal with anything. So to say
but it deals with tobacco, right? But it deals with tobacco, right?
Is present in
here's the ethics committee. No, Sambit, listen. I told you bad habits, Sambit. I told you bad habits, Sambit. Bad habit. People are seeing your bad habit in action now on national television. You don't want people to believe that Sambit Patra has become an arrogant man who stopped listening. Please listen. Here's the Parliamentary Panel Ethics Committee 2012, December 2012. December 2012.
That does not mean that I
December 2012 Lok Sabha. My God, Sambit, you speak so much nowadays, you just don't listen, but I hope you listen now. December 2012 Lok Sabha Ethics Panel that included L.K. Advani. It said very, very clearly, it set up rules. Whenever a member has a personal or specific pecuniary interest in a matter being considered by the House or committee thereof, he shall declare the nature of such interest notwithstanding any registration of interest in the register, and shall not participate in any debate taking place in the House. And Pawan Verma, he will not participate in any debate taking place in the House or its committees. Point being,
I have the rule.
Yeah, show the rules. Show Sambit Patra the rules tonight. Let's take the debate to a serious level. Take it.
This is the Raj Sabha handbook.
Read it. Read it.
The Lok Sabha handbook is exactly the same.
Read it, sir. Read it.
And I have got the chapter on the Committee on Ethics.
Let him speak.
And it says clearly.
Which will put you to shame.
It says clearly.
I will give you examples of your party which will put you to shame, Mr. Pawan Verma.
Please have a serious debate.
Sir, please let him speak. We are on the rules. We are on the rules now. We are on the rules now. Gaurav Bhatia, should Sambit Patra listen to the rules? Gaurav Bhatia, Atul Kumar Ranjan, should Sambit Patra listen to the rules? Should he listen to the rules? Dear viewers, should Sambit listen to the rules? Atul Kumar Ranjan, should Sambit listen to the rules?
They have to be followed by every member of parliament.
That means
Sambit, I think you have to respect the rules of the parliament.
Okay, fine, I adjudicate now. I overrule Sambit Patra and I allow Pawan Verma.
What your MP should have done.
I allow Sambit Patra. I allow
Mr. Shyamcharan Gupta
I appoint his
himself.
Yes.
Which he did not do.
Yes.
Your party
absolutely.
Your party has also done wrong because
one point tonight. So you
that is again a conflict of interest.
Can I carry this forward?
He knew that he is discussing tobacco and where his real interest lies.
One at a time, gentlemen. I believe we should begin by letting gentlemen. A mistake has been made. No, gentlemen, a mistake has been made. 1 minute. I believe I stick my neck out. No,
and Chhattisgarh and in Madhya Pradesh.
I don't know how this
mistake will be rectified.
I do not think this is a coincidence. Political leaders of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh.
Can we take this thing forward?
He's the king in the jungles. His gunmen are moving to collect the Tendu leaves. And he purchases the tickets.
Every time you
one at a time, Atul Kumar Ranjan. Only Atul
Ranjan. He starts talking about others. He is the pollution in the politics. He pollutes the politics.
I want to ask all these political parties one question. Just one question and then I will be quiet. Okay, all the BD barons are with the Bharatiya Janata Party, but why were you during the previous term trying to protect these Bharatiya Janata Party barons by not passing the legislation for 7 times? If you wanted these BJP barons to be behind bars, then why were you protecting them? You should have passed the legislation which we did. Which we
no,
did.
today issue has come.
Today issue is of conflict of interest.
You are a party with a difference. You are
The issue is of...
You are a dharmatma. Please do some justice. Now you...
whole logic. Ladies and gentlemen, let me just moderate this a bit. I'm speaking to the viewers if others can come down for a while. The issue tonight is this. Okay, can I just speak directly to the viewers for just 30 seconds? 30 seconds. 30 seconds and Pawan Verma should read the rules. 1 second. Atul Kumar Anjan. I say tonight once again, the issue is conflict of interest. There is an MP in the committee, cannot be allowed to influence policy. Okay, I say this tonight. I am saying tobacco lobby in this country is very strong, has political influence. And yes, Atul Kumar Anjan, I accuse the UPA government. I accuse the UPA government of being soft on the tobacco lobby.
Regulations Parliamentary Standing Committee. The only Air India and Jet and the closed one, Kingfisher was allowed, front gate. Their kiosks were there. And what happened to Kingfisher? They used the power, Vijay Malaya used the power of the Parliamentary Standing Committee and put his agency Flying Company, his Kingfisher Company's board on the top of every airport and his counter in the front of every gate. That was the thing.
So, Pawan Verma is going back and I am, 1 second, I am managing this one. Pawan Verma, now he should read the rules. Pawan Verma should read the rules. Pawan Verma.
Arnab, I want to ask Dr. Sambit Patra that in view of the rule that I am just going to read, will he send Mr. Shyamacharan Gupta to the Ethics Committee of the Lok Sabha, and I will read out the sanctions of the Ethics Committee. There are rules in both houses. We are a parliamentary democracy. The rule says whenever a member has a personal or specific pecuniary interest, direct or indirect, in a matter being considered by the council or the house or a committee thereof, he shall declare the nature of such interest notwithstanding any registration of his interests in the register, and shall not participate in any debate taking place in the house / council or its committee before making such declaration. This is what the rule states. Did Mr. Shyamacharan Gupta comply with this rule? And is Dr. Sambit Patra willing that in case of non-compliance, his conduct should go to the Ethics Committee, which has the powers to censure, to reprimand, to suspend a person from the house for a specific period, or take any other sanction determined by the committee as it thinks appropriate. I want to ask Dr. Sambit Patra that merely by disassociating itself from his statement, is his party doing enough? Or should it condemn such action which is blatantly in violation of the rules?
Doing something, Mr. Pawan Kumar Verma. Now let me start explaining you.
Please answer the question, sir. I have quoted the rules to you.
Which is doing something.
Yesterday, Giriraj Singh made a statement. There was no response, no censure.
God. Can you?
Today we have this conduct of these two MPs. There is no censure, no reprimand.
Suddenly you have all.
What is happening?
We were the ones who brought the legislation. You start questioning us. My simple submission is, has the report been submitted by the committee? Has the government accepted the report? Has the government suspended its circular which came out in October 2014? Answer to all this is no. So how do you...
Sir, I am talking about the conflict of interest issue, and I believe tonight that Sambit Patra is refusing to debate the issue of conflict of interest. The issue is of conflict of interest. Sambit Patra has one fig leaf of an argument tonight. Let me explain. Let me explain Sambit Patra's line of argument tonight. Sambit Patra's line of argument, ladies and gentlemen. Sambit, just listen. I want to explain what to you. I want to explain to you what you are doing. Sambit, I'll just analyze you. Sambit, I'm analyzing you.
Yes.
I'm analyzing you. Just give me half a second.
Yes.
What Sambit Patra's argument is very simple today. Pawan Verma, as it very transparent is, he has two tacks. He has come prepared. First tack is he's going to say that, you know what, this is what all the others have done, so don't question us. And then if the going gets too tough, then he will say, but these are only parliamentary committees, whereas, you know, the government eventually will do something else. In doing so, he is not answering the question of ethics, which has been rightly brought out by everyone tonight. The question is, a BJP MP breaks into a parliament panel, and if everything goes wrong, he will heckle. Now, a BJP MP, I am saying the question is of ethics. Ajay Kumar, I draw you in. Ajay Bose has been wanting to ask a question.
How did he break in, Arnab? Did he declare his interest?
No, he did. No, I'm saying, one minute. My question is, Ajay Kumar, my question is it ethical for the BJP today?
No, the BJP government does.
Ajay Kumar.
You know,
Ajay Kumar.
Please tell that the BJP has no time for Lokpal. It has no time for CVC. You cannot do an RTI on the Prime Minister's office. You cannot do an RTI. There is no RTI coming in from the Prime Minister's office. The most non-transparent government in the
who's responsible for all this debacle?
No CVC.
Question us.
No Lokpal.
People can question us.
Amar Agarwal is a Gutka king.
Wherever we are
no RTI for the Prime Minister's office.
Our mistake also.
Crony capitalists.
But this
always
party
hand in glove with the capitalists.
They have no right to question us.
Come on,
they have no right to. They have looted this country.
Land,
12 lakh crore rupees.
Sambit, now you know you are not letting others speak.
No CVC, no Lokpal, no CVC.
I would allow everyone who is non-corrupt to speak.
There is no independent
but I hate allowing corrupt people
country.
Questioning non-corruption.
1 second.
There is Arnab, they are ensuring that there is no agency to investigate them.
No, the question, Ajay Kumar, the question is very simple actually. The question is very simple.
You are dissenting on the television.
Question is very simple. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. No, one sec. Question is very simple. Question is very simple. 1 second. Just because we have 1 minute. Question is very simple. And please, Sambit Patra. Sambit, is it fun for you to just keep heckling others? Did Ajay Kumar not listen to you? Does he agree with you? Did he keep saying that because I don't agree with him, I won't let Sambit Patra speak? Show others the same courtesy that they are showing to you.
That their own Congress member of Parliament who are part of this parliamentary committee, they have not given a dissent note. Have they given a dissent note? Why is this not being questioned? Why is not this being questioned from the Congress? I am not being arrogant. I am going to take on the anti-BJP lobby. If you form an anti-BJP lobby of misinformation, we are not going to leave you. We are going to expose the anti-BJP lobby.
My question goes to Gaurav Bhatia. Now Gaurav Bhatia is coming into the debate, please. Very quickly, we have a few minutes left and my question is now. The questions are of ethics. No, 1 second. Ajay Bose, 1 minute. Ajay Bose, 1 minute. I'm going to Gaurav Bhatia. The question is only and only of ethics. Is it ethical for a political party to be tolerant of a man who got of such action without any punitive action against such a person like Shavacharan Gupta? Is it ethical for political parties to be exposed to corporate lobbies like this?
Now, Arnab, can I answer?
Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia only, please. Gaurav Bhatia.
It's a very serious problem. The first problem is that Shyam Charan Gupta did not declare his interest. There was a direct case of conflict of interest. Second was that Shyam Charan Gupta did not recuse himself. And now, let us see whether there is crony capitalism affecting the BJP or not. Not one Shyam Charan Gupta. There are 3 MPs who are supporting this move. One is the chairperson of the committee itself, Mr. Dilip Gandhi, who said there is no credible material and he ignores the World Health Organization reports. The third is Ram Sarma, who appeared. Ram Sarma again talks about a person having 60 cigarettes and still being fined. Why can't we learn from mistakes of others? In other countries, there have been damages to the tune of $60 and $70 billion given by tobacco companies. So do we have to lose our people before we learn? And when the act itself talks about the harmful effects of tobacco, that act is being ignored completely. So I think the BJP is now going down to the pressures of the corporate lobby.
Here's a question. I'm steering the debate. Sambit, don't heckle now. Don't heckle. I'm not going to let you heckle. And the question is now to Ajay Bose. The question is to Ajay Bose. And the question is this. Is it ethical? Is it ethical? Please. Is it ethical?
Campaign.
He was quiet for 10 years.
You are now.
Hold on, let us take it forward.
I'll go to Ajay Bose. Just put him on the screen, please. Ajay Bose.
Let me just try and take this forward. The BJP government, the Prime Minister Modi can still rectify the situation
if he wants
by doing two things. Firstly, he can definitely take action against the erring MP. Secondly, can he please go back to the real reason for the committee, to find out about the size of the pictorial warning which has been stalled. Can the BJP government immediately reinstall the...
No, Ajay Bose, Ajay Bose, no, Ajay Bose, no, that's not good enough. I'm sorry, Ajay Bose, that's not good enough. That is not good enough, Ajay Bose. What issue is here of ethics? We want to teach a lesson. We want to teach a lesson to these political parties who think it is okay to take the people for a ride, because it is not ethical. It is a question of ethics. It is not ethical. It is not ethical to allow. It is not ethical to allow businessmen and industrialists. I'm sorry, let me complete one sentence at least. Please, it is not ethical, Atul Anjan, to allow businessmen and industrialists to deliberate on legislation pertaining to corporate affairs. You can't deliberate on legislation pertaining to corporate affairs.
Through this national debate.
Remember the tobacco lobby.
Only Ajay Anjan, please manage that.
To come down.
Through this national debate.
That is why they did it. That is why they bought the MPs.
Atul Anjan, please.
To take care, and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to drop the vested interest from this committee. Drop the members of the vested interest from this committee. And the Chairman of Rajya Sabha and the Speaker of Lok Sabha and the Parliamentary Minister must take immediate action and drop these people from the committee.
To speak when the government brings in the legislation. Mr. Ajay Bose, what were you receiving from the tobacco lobby in the last session? That for 7 times when it was deferred, you were not up against arms against the last government. But today,
we are talking about this session, Baba.
When this government has brought the
we are talking about this session.
When this government has brought
BJP is serving the interest of the tobacco lobby.
Is this your thing that they did Colgate cigarette tobacco
lobby?
And you are
I'm asking
represented by
that they did Colgate will do tobacco gate.
Were they satisfying you in any manner?
Were they
satisfying you in any manner?
This is, Sambit Patra, cheap innuendos at this time is not going to help you. The question is very simple. Don't try any innuendos here. I don't try this innuendo, garble, nonsense. Sambit, listen to me. Sambit, listen to me. Sambit, we are on a very serious issue. We are on a very serious issue. And Sambit Patra, you are testing the patience of the nation. Sambit, if you go on and on and on, you are not doing yourself or your party any good. People will start believing you have become so damn arrogant, you don't even have 2 minutes to listen to others.
And then I realized,
please, Sambit Patra.
Anti-BJP lobbyists.
People who are anti-BJP are not part of some lobby. Stop having the, you are sounding. Can I tell you one thing, Sambit? 1 second, Sambit Patra, you are sounding like those people.
Within 10 months, no one debates that. And you debate something on which we have a corrective stand. We have a stand that we want to demolish this.
Okay, I'm going to Pawan Verma. Can we please handle
when the Congress was in power?
Today the BJP has told us what we hope not to listen from them. 1 second. Today the BJP has told us where they stand. And the BJP is only saying, I'm coming to you, Pawan Verma. I'm coming to you, Pawan Verma. I just want to say one thing to you. I want to put this question to the viewers, Pawan. 1 second. The question goes to the viewers tonight. You have watched this debate. I am only asking you, the dear viewers, one simple question. I personally think it is thoroughly unethical for political parties to join corporate lobbies. And the UPA got finished because it allowed corporate lobbies to influence politics. I don't know what has come over the BJP. The BJP is not allowing business houses to influence. It is allowing business houses to infiltrate and enter parliament lobbies and do it. And now, Mr. Narendra Modi, we are asking you, what are you going to do, Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah? Mr. Modi and Mr. Amit Shah, what are you going to do? What is the use of 282 MPs if you allow BD kings to decide BD policy? This is a joke. This is a joke.
This country.
Pawan Verma. Pawan Verma, please.
Arnab, please allow me to speak.
Pawan Verma, please.
Arnab, your television channel is watched globally, as are other channels now in India. And we have had the completely humiliating and ridiculous spectacle of two MPs of the ruling party throughout the day claiming that tobacco is good and has no connection with cancer. That is embarrassing enough. But I want to, in conclusion, say one thing. There is a new trend that has developed in the BJP, and my good friend Sambit should listen, which is that when one of their MPs or ministers transgresses all rules, either of law or decency, the BJP leadership keeps quiet.
Yeah, keeps thoroughly quiet.
There is no censure. There is no reprimand. There is no attempt to change. There is no attempt to accept the guilt. I ask them, as the ruling party, this kind of arrogance will bury their image politically. They must change.
You did not go to these children to visit their death? And
what?
You are questioning us that we are quiet?
Look at this, look at the response, Arnab.
I don't understand this kind of
response. The only answer they have is to accuse you of something else. You are the ruling party. Take responsibility.
We stand against the tobacco lobby. We stand against tobacco. And we completely dissociate ourselves from the statement made by these...
Atul Kumar Anjan, one at a time, please. Atul Kumar Anjan now, please. Atul Kumar Anjan, please. Ji Anjan ji.
I just want to say, Arnab, one point, that let us discuss, and I think from the very beginning, my friend Sambit said that I personally disassociate. Please go in your party and tell your party that your party entirely disassociate.
No, did you go through Mr. JP Nadda's statement or now showing Mr. Nadda's statement?
And if you are allowing such persons to remain in the committees, what will be the fate? You are investing. I remind you, your Prime Minister's speech about the well-being of the people, taking much
Mr. Anjan, he is not my Prime Minister, he is your Prime Minister as well. Don't reduce the office of Prime Minister into partisan politics. Don't call him your Prime Minister.
When you are talking, when you are in your national executive, when your ministers are speaking in a different way.
Okay, so this, just a question in between, I want to come in. I have a question. My question is very simple. My question, Mr. Anjan, I think we can nail it. I think we can nail it with one simple question. Mr. Anjan, let's extend this debate by 5 minutes. Okay, let's extend the debate by 5 minutes. I have one or two questions left.
लोग लपट करके मर रहे हैं किस पे कि आपकी महंगाई नहीं खत्म हुई, आप किसानों के साथ धोखा कर रहे हैं, उनकी जमीन ले रहे हैं, आप इस पर 3 ऑर्डिनेंस लाकर शर्मिंदा नहीं हो रहे हैं।
आपने कभी सोचा अंजान साहब क्या अंजान है कि आप क्यों खत्म हो गए?
मैं जानता हूं आपकी स्थिति को, लेकिन आप अडानी लोगों के साथ खड़े होकर के उनके लिए नहीं काम करिए, लोगों के लिए काम करिए जिनका विश्वास आपने दिया। आप कह रहे विश्वास की धरातल पर आप खड़े हैं, आप अविश्वास का वातावरण देश में पैदा कर रहे हैं, आप सांप्रदायिक नींव से देश को चलाना चाहते हैं, आप देश को बंटवारे की तरफ भेजना चाहते हैं। इस नीति को बदलिए। यह नीति जो है आपके दीनदयाल उपाध्याय की नहीं थी। आप सारे आप किसको Bharti ko. You are criminalizing Prasar Bharati.
Okay, here's a question for the BJP. I have a question for Sambit Patra if he cares to listen to me. I don't know. Sambit Patra, are you still in a listening mood? Once Sambit, are you still in a listening mood? Are you going to listen to something? Once Atul Kumar Anjan, मुझे लग रहा है Sambit Patra मैं चेक करना चाहता हूँ कि उनको सुनाई दे रहा है कि नहीं.
While he was speaking in Bangalore.
Sambit, 1 second. Sambit, a question, please. 1 second. Sambit, you listen to my question. My question is simple. And I think Ajay Kumar, I'll come to you after this reply from Sambit Patra. Keep it short. I'm extending it only by a few minutes. Sambit, simple question here from the issues which have been raised by Pawan Verma. And of course, I see your response. Your response is, we can do what we want, basically. My question is, can you suppose there is an MP who has business interests in telecom? Will you let him be part of a committee that will decide telecom policy of India?
Principally, no.
Okay, and in this case, what happened
to Dayanidhi Maran?
No, one second. Let me continue. In this case, there is a proof here, and I'd like to show you. This is his returning. I'll send you these papers later. This is Shyam Group. You can look at these papers, Shyam Group, and basically, if you just go down, their basic thing is excellence in the field of tobacco. This is his returning officer. This is his form which he gave during the time of his election of Shamacharan Gupta, details of his shares, etc. Right? I have all this information with me, and of course I have further information including the letters which he sent to lobby. So I have proof here that a person, MP with established interests in tobacco, is part of a committee that is influencing tobacco policy, has not recused himself from it, has in fact, I have proof with me to show that he is lobbying for it. So he's broken rules. He's broken ethics. The only question we have to ask you today is, will Narendra Modi act against him? I don't believe in, condemnations. Narendra Modi, when he entered parliament, 1 second, remember, he went down on his feet, right? And he showed his respect to parliament. So today, if Narendra Modi respects parliament, let me complete. If Narendra Modi respects parliament, he must sack him.
That's the reason as to why India is coming up with...
Will Narendra Modi sack him? Don't give me generic replies. Will Narendra Modi...
No, let me complete...
Generic replies. Generic replies will not do. I will not take them. I will not take them. Generic replies means you're avoiding me. My question is, I have established proof with me. Tobacco Gate is a big story, sir. Tobacco Gate is a big story. Tobacco Gate is as big as Colgate. Is there any doubt among our panelists tonight? Tobacco Gate is as big as Colgate. Times Now broke Colgate. Times Now is breaking Tobacco Gate. We asked Manmohan Singh at that point of time, run but you can't hide. I am asking you tonight, I have proof. I have proof of conflict of interest. Will you sack the man? I have proof tonight. I had proof in Colgate. In Colgate, I had proof. I have proof tonight in Tobacco Gate. You prove to me. Will you do what you wanted the UPA to do in Colgate? Will you deny Tobacco Gate?
We have been submitted with a report.
Will you deny Tobacco Gate? You will not act. That's the answer, ladies and gentlemen. That is the answer, ladies and gentlemen. That is the answer, ladies and gentlemen. They will do nothing. They will do nothing.
Still you question the government.
They will do nothing, ladies and gentlemen. And now I leave it to the court of the viewers for you to decide when there is proven. Yes, Ajay Kumar.
Because BJP will not do, because look at Chhattisgarh. The health minister is the Gutka king of Chhattisgarh.
Sambit Patra.
They make the health minister he's the Gutka king, and then you say no conflict. Look at this government. Chhattisgarh Gutka king health minister Amar Agarwal. How are they going to take action? This is the government of the crony capitalists. Everywhere, increasing medicine price, grabbing land.
You looted the country of
grabbing land.
Wrapping up the debate now.
No CBC, no law.
You cannot allow lobbies to proliferate in parliament. If lobbies proliferate in parliament and members of parliament are allowed to run as lobbies, we fear for Indian democracy. Crony capitalism 2.0. Sambit, listen to me. Sambit, I want to say something to you. Remember Colgate? Remember Colgate? The Congress used to wish and pray every time we did a news hour on Colgate. They would laugh, they would deny, and then they began to hope and pray. They began to hope and pray. They began to hope and pray. They began to hope and pray at one point. Ajay, 1 minute. Ajay, I'm saying this to Sambit to wrap it up. Ajay, Congress used to hope and pray that Colgate goes away. Kalmadi used to hope and pray CWG scam goes away. Congress used to hope and pray Devas ISRO goes away. Ashok Chavan used to hope and pray that Kargil for profit goes away. Dayanidhi Maran used to hope and pray that Aircel Maxis goes away. They went away. The scams didn't go away. So give it up. Understand where you stand today. We have at times now exposed Tobacco Gate. I promise you, Sambit Patra. I promise you tonight. I promise you tonight, Sambit, on national television, I will take this story to the finish. I promise you we will take this story to the finish. I promise you on Times Now, I promise you, Sambit Patra. I promise you I will take this story to the finish. Thank you for joining me on debate number 1. on the News Hour tonight.